Hello, Microsoft Office users. In this video, we will show, quickly remove non-essential all leading and trailing spaces from string in Excel. Kutools for Excel can help remove all the leading and trailing spaces quickly in Excel. Removing spaces utility in Kutools for Excel provides more flexible way to remove all the excessive space in Excel. You can directly remove the space in the cell without moving them into other cells. More important, you can remove other kind of space in the cell, such as all excess space, all space and so on. Select the cells that you want to modify. You can select some columns, rows or the entire worksheet. To apply this advantage, go to Kutools, next navigate to Text menu and click Remove Spaces and check leading and trailing spaces in the pop-up Remove Spaces dialog. Now, click OK or Apply button, that's it. Your all excess non-essential all leading and trailing spaces will remove from string. Isn't it great? So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to get Kutools for Excel tools, you can find Kutools download link in video description.